before it gets sent off. So this doesn't really happen much anymore because Alibaba is actually a very safe website to buy from now. They've got things called escrow in. A lot of people think they're getting scammed if they buy on Alibaba. Has anyone thought that before? If you buy something on Alibaba, you're going to get scammed or you're not too sure what's going to arrive. A lot of people are a little bit uncertain. Alibaba actually has something called escrow, which means that when you buy something from a supplier, when you pay the money, the money doesn't go immediately to them, it goes to Alibaba and they hold the money for a period of time. And you're the customer, Alibaba communicate with you and say, hey, just making sure you're happy with the products, right, before you release the money to the supplier. So they confirm with you first, right? That's something that wasn't always there. It wasn't there 10 years ago. Right. I used to have a sourcing agency.
But again, Alex, the time period is less. The time when they need our confirmation, by that time the product will not be accessed.
That's why you get someone to inspect it when you're over there. That's right. But this sort of kicked off a lot of the cowboys on Alibaba. It was a bit crazy on Alibaba about 10, 13 years ago. We had a sourcing agency and we used to facilitate a lot of this. I used to go to China a lot. I used to communicate with suppliers and make sure this was all fine and dandy for our clients. I don't do that anymore because Alibaba's just a heck of a lot safer. You can buy stuff. If you're not happy, you tell Alibaba, usually they fix it up. But and Alibaba don't make money by ripping you off. They don't make money by delivering a bad quality product. They make money by you coming back and ordering more and then more and more again, right? So they are really in it for the long haul. But if you deal with Leeline, the same thing. You know, they want to provide the best quality product to you. They're in it for the long haul as well. So yeah, doing an inspection and doing a thank you card, I'll cover that later on today, but getting someone to look at your product before it goes to Amazon is really good. Step number 8 is start selling and make your first product sale. I'll sort of show you a little bit today about how to maybe look at your traffic and your conversion as well. It's a little bit, it's quite good. When you actually have products available on Amazon for sale, it's good to sort of see how many people are seeing your listing. You can do that quite easily, find out how many people are viewing your listing every day. If you have like 10, 20 people, Amazon will tell you that. It's kind of like if you have a shop, if you have a fish and chip shop, you know, you want to count how many customers. You know, back in the day you had that clicker, right? You don't need to do that with Amazon. Amazon measure everything. They know exactly how many people are coming back. If someone comes back and refreshes the screen, or if it's the same customer, they come back again and look at your page, Amazon know all that. They know it's the same customer, so they don't double count them. Step number 9 is scale up and systemize. So, you know, when do you reorder more products? That's a common question we get. You know, you start selling a few, when do you reorder more? How do you build your brand, create loyal customers, and expanding your sales, and you know, and selling on other platforms as well, like eBay, Shopify, and Facebook. So there's a lot of different things you can do. You could do affiliate stuff as well, which I'll cover. But you know, there's a lot of different ways you can use Amazon as really the starting vehicle and start selling on other platforms and make additional sales with affiliate marketing. Step number 10 is find more good products to sell on Amazon. So once you have something that actually, you know, once you have something or a few products that work, it's really just a matter of sort of expanding a product range. Kind of like, you know, if you have pet product number 1, you know, pet product number 2 and 3 and 4, and then building out that range, and basically even building a website. You can build websites these days very simply, like a one-page website in an afternoon. There's websites out there. There's Wix. Has anybody heard of Wix?